Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the BUTTR Fisting Butter. So let's get started. So this is the fisting butter itself. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Now, the BUTTR Fisting Butter is an indisposable for fans of fisting. Fisting butter is an extremely smooth, thick anal lubricant that eases penetration. It's gentle on the skin, remains smooth for a long time, and is free from perfumes. As you can see, it's extra thick, but it's also very soft and smooth on the skin, as you can see here as well, and will feel very comfortable during use as well. The large pot facilitates further application of lubricant, so you only have to focus on pleasure. Please note you cannot use this in combination with latex condoms or silicone toys as well. Always make sure to fully close the caps like so, and it's ready to use till next time. And that is the BUTTR Fisting Butter. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.